Alright guys, I wanted to give a quick tutorial of how to unlock this master lock key box in case you've ever forgotten your code. It's quite simple actually. It took me maybe 15 minutes once you learn how to play with it. I'll show you in a second. Not a lot of you familiar with this. Slide this down, 4-digit numeric number, and then you pull the lever down and unlock it. As you can see right now, it's just closed. I'm gonna walk you through how to find your code. Alright, I'm gonna try to walk you through this the best way I can. There's different options. You gotta get like a skinny metal shim, as thin as possible. What I've seen out there, a lot of people use like a Coke can or any type of beverage can. Cut yourself a little piece, fairly thin, nothing major. So you can see the size of this. This, for me, is actually a piece of an actual tape measure, metal tape measure. I had an old one there, I didn't need it, so I just kind of cut about 4 inches off. Of course you don't need 4 inches, but you can see the size of one you want to work with. It can go thicker, but more or less I prefer about this. This is 1/4 of an inch, less than 1/4 of an inch. Alright, so let's just get to it. These little knobs are really tiny. If you can get something to help you turn them as you're doing this process, I'm going to use my knife. As you can watch what I'm going to try to do here. I like to go into the lower left hand side. You're gonna go in, I don't know, that's less than 1/2 inch. Just push it there. See how it kind of just sits there, nice and snug. Doesn't move, doesn't do anything. It's just as far as it goes. Don't force it. You could just see it sits there. I'm going to apply slight pressure down. Sorry, my camera, I don't have a freaking holder for you guys, so let's try my best. Okay, so I'm going to turn one number at a time, and as you turn, you're going to feel, let me just put these all at whatever number. Okay, so I'm getting it in. It's nice and loose, pretty much. As you're turning, I don't know if you can guys just see. Basically, it falls into place. Let me go back to that number. See how it's not moving anymore? It's basically the shim would slide in more, and these numbers won't rotate anymore. It's in as far as it can go, and I'm trying to turn the number more, and it can't. So basically, I'll stop at 0. I'm gonna pull it out and go to the next one. Kind of a little bitch to get it in the side here. Come on. Okay. So it's in there. Start turning. Numbers pretty turn. Oh. Slip right in. Okay. Let's try the next one. About to find a hole. Okay, so it's in there. Oh, slipped right in. Slip on one. Oh, yes, the one. Okay. And last but not least, let's turn. Oh wait. First number was it? 7. Okay. Now if this is accurate, that won't be your code. Trick is here, that's kind of putting the tumblers in its place to line up together. Now if it's correct, you rotate each one down 3. That should be your code. Let's see if this is correct. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if that's correct. And there you go. Now if you want to reset it also, you can see in here is a reset button. You basically push this up. You're going to select the code you want, then lock it, and you can put whatever code you want. Little lever in here is to release the entire thing for when you put it on your gate or whatever you put it at. So I hope this helped you out a little bit. Again, you're gonna put the shim in on the lower left, and you'll feel it kind of drop in ever so slightly, and the wheels will kind of like lock in place. Go on the next, next. Once you have those 4 numbers, just rotate 3 numbers, and that should be your number to unlock. Hope this can help you guys.